guys, Russell here from Dallas Designer Handbags. I am here with a Fendi Zucca mini chef bag. I think this is an absolute little top handle bag. It's a nice little simple shape. Definitely looks like a little chef hat when you turn it upside down. A lovely little charm on it as well. It's definitely a unique little Fendi piece done in the classic Zucca print. It's a decent size on the inside, so you can actually hold quite a bit as well. And one of the great things I love about this is how simple it is to add a crossbody strap to this to make it into that little mini crossbody we all love nowadays. This one's in great condition as well. There's barely any signs of wear to this one. And definitely a good vintage piece as well. This piece is currently available on our website and in the store. If you have any questions about this item, leave us a comment, message us on our website, or give us a call at the store.